Over the past 24 hours, we had some showers, yes, for parts of yesterday, but many of us remained rain-free throughout the day and had at least a reasonable amount of sun. And the evening was spectacular. We had some cooler temperatures, some light winds, and some clear skies. Of course, we had a chance to see some wildlife out and about. One of our viewers sent us this picture from southwest Rochester. There's a happy deer frolicking in the meadow. In the distance, the setting sun on a beautiful Wednesday evening. Yesterday, we only managed a high of 70, so if you're not a big fan of heat and humidity, yeah, yesterday was your day. A break from mugginess and almost September-like temperatures. Tanya Wolter, southwest Rochester. You see the deer there, and of course the setting sun in the southwest altogether. Great composition and a great finale to our Wednesday. We start our Thursday in a similar note. Just a couple of stratus clouds in the distance as you see the rising sun in the east. Of course, Lake Pepin. This is live from our Lewis Donato camera from Lake City. A bright sun-filled day. Temperatures on the way to the 80s, believe it or not. That's a far cry from where we stand right now. Only 50. Officially in Med City, 50 right now in Rochester, light southwest breeze. Dew point 47, so crisp, dry air. It does feel like fall out there still, at least right now. But again, that's going to change. We will become a little more July-like as we move along through the day. Temperatures across the board, 40s and 50s. In Mesa City, now beginning the warming process. It was as cool as 44 there just moments ago. It's now 46 in Mesa City, 52 in Preston. Rochester again 50 and 50 degrees in Charles City. Definitely a cool, crisp morning. Skies are clear. They'll remain bright and sunny throughout the day. There are showers coming in from South Dakota, working their way toward middle part of Minnesota, moving toward the Twin Cities, eventually western Wisconsin, but not our area. It's going to stay just north of us. A little disturbance cruising through northwest Ontario, generating those showers across the northern half of Minnesota. Larger system northwestward taking shape, and it's going to work its way across the map, reaching us tomorrow with our next rain chance. But severe weather risk north of us today. We're going to stay rain-free, but late tomorrow, chance of maybe a couple of isolated storms during the day. Not necessarily severe, but we move into the late evening hours and overnight tomorrow night. We started seeing the possibility of a complex of storms developing. Much higher risk of severe weather northwest of us. And we're watching that as the origin of our next maybe a thunderstorm chance anyway, or severe weather potential. That would roll into town parts of our area and around midnight tomorrow night. Large hail, damaging wind concerns there for the overnight period, Friday night and Saturday morning. And again late Friday, perhaps Saturday night in the late evening hours on Saturday with large hail, damaging wind concerns there. And we are in the slight risk of severe weather, so slightly elevated risk of severe weather. And that's going to be fed by the intense humidity that's going to be building in over the course of the next 48 hours. It's going to be much steamier, shall we say. But high-risk future track looking at shower chances staying north of us. If you're headed to the Twin Cities, that's where the action will be today, but not severe, but brief light showers and storms in that direction. We'll stick with warm sunshine today. A couple of storms late tomorrow, maybe a round of strong storms tomorrow night. Similar situation Saturday with strong storms Saturday night and Sunday morning. But bright sunshine today, 56 for the morning commute. Areas of just a few spots of fog around the map this morning. So areas of fog, bright sunshine, a couple of fair weather clouds this afternoon. 82 for 3 o'clock and overall high temperature around 83. Not too strange for this time of the year. We then drop off into the 70s and 60s, but not the 50s this time around. Not quite as cool tomorrow as this morning has been. But future track looking at the high pressure gliding to the east. Those rain chances stay north of us, at least for today. Upcoming storm system approaches to the northwest. That will generate some thunderstorms ahead of it. A couple of isolated storms come in for parts of tomorrow. We'll see those roll into the area for the late afternoon and evening. And then for tomorrow night, here's that cluster, that intense line of storms erupting along that approaching cold front. They move in. If they hold together, we may see a chance of thunderstorms, but a marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow night. So not a really high-end probability of that. Saturday, a little stormier at first, and then again, storms by evening. During the day, though, hot, intense sunshine. Heat index levels around 100 Saturday, a very hot day, and just a couple of stray storms on Sunday. And you see those smaller doses of rain next week after a slightly more unsettled and certainly hotter weekend, especially on Saturday. 92, the expected high there, will be in the low and mid 80s for the upcoming week, which is not too unusual for this time of the year, but the weekend again looking definitely hotter and stickier for us. 83 in Mesa City today, 83 in Rochester, mostly sunny skies, southwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, clear and seasonable, a low of 65, at least 10 to 15 degrees cooler than the past couple of nights. 7-day forecast, a hot and humid weekend again. Heat index levels Saturday about 192, the expected high. Strong storms possible by evening, and then smaller rounds of rain and smaller chances.